Welcome to my channel. Hello children. Today we are going to see English worksheets. This is part 2. So let's get started. Before that, if you are new on my channel, please like, share and subscribe and click on the bell icon. That's why you will get new updates. Okay? Let's start it. Look at here. First worksheet about write the first letter. You have to identify the picture and write first letter of the picture. So tell me what's the first picture. Which is the first picture? Which is the first picture? This is hen. What is this? Hen. So what's the first letter of the hen? H, right? What's the first letter of the hen? H. So write down here H. Okay. Second one is, what is this? Bat. What is this? Bat. So write down here bat. B-A-T. Bat. Okay. Then next one, what is this? This is dog. So write down D. Next one is, what is this? Car. So what is the first letter of the car? C. This is cup. So write down C. What is this? This is key. So what's the first letter of the key? K. Okay. Let's move to the next worksheet. This is also write the beginning sound for each word and color the picture. Okay. What is this? This is pencil. So what's the first letter of the pencil? P. Okay. Write down the first letter and color the picture. Then next one is, what is this? Mango. Its first letter is M. Okay. Then what is this? Nurse. So what's the first letter of the nurse? N. Then next one is nest. Its first letter is N. Then next one is octopus. Its first letter is O. This is king. Its first letter is K. This is penguin. So what's the first letter of penguin? It's P. Okay. P. Then this is, what is this? This is monkey. Its first letter is M. And this is orange. Its first letter is O. Okay. So write down the first letter of the picture and color the picture. Okay. Then next worksheet is also beginning sound of each word. So here, what is the first picture? Queen. Its first letter is Q. Then this is sun. Its first letter is S. This is a robot. This is robot. Its first letter is R. Okay. This is spider. Its first letter is S. This is towel. Its first letter is T. This is quilt. Its first letter is Q. Okay. This is tree. Its first letter is T. This is rabbit. Its first letter is R. This is snail. What is this? This is snail. Its first letter is S. Okay. Then next worksheet is also write down the first letter of the picture. Here, this is xylophone. What is this? This is xylophone. So what is the first letter of the picture? Xylophone. X. What is X? Okay. This is watch. W. Then uniform. What is this? This is uniform. So its first letter is U. Then this is vegetables. These are vegetables. So its first letter is V. This is umpire. What is this? Umpire. So its first letter is U. What is this? This is web. So its first letter is W. Its first letter is W. The next worksheet is, this is write the last letter. This worksheet is about write the last letter. Okay. So here first picture is, what is this? Pan. What is this? This is pan. So its last letter is N. N. Okay. P-A-N. Pan. This is, what's the color? Which is this color? Red. So R-E-D. Red. Okay. This is zip. What is this? This is zip. So its last letter is P. Z-I-P. Zip. This is oil. What is this? This is oil. So its last letter is L. O-I-L. Oil. This is sun. What is this? This is sun. So what's the spelling of sun? S-U-N. Sun. Its last letter is N. And this is bed. What is this? This is bed. So what is the spelling of bed? B-E-D. Bed. So its last letter is D. Okay. Got it? Then last two worksheets are for you. This is a puzzle. Connect the letter A to H in the correct order. Okay. Here is a butterfly and you have to start from the butterfly A to H and you have to finish here to the flower. So start it. Flower is coming from here. A. What's come after A? B. Where is B? This is E and this is B. So B is here. B. After B, what comes? C. C is here. After C, what comes? D. Then E. Then F. G. H. And finish. Okay. Then last worksheet is letters A to Z. You have to write missing letters. What is here? These are the small letters. You have to write A to Z. These missing letters. Here will come A, then B, then C, then D, then E, then F, then here G, H, then I, here J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Okay? Got it? Okay. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe.